you can lose your hard-earned Hamster Kombat Airdrop if you don't do it right. Guys, in this video, I'll be guiding you to withdraw your Hamster Kombat Airdrop to ByBit Exchange without losing your airdrop. Doing it correctly is the main thing. If you have not subscribed to this channel, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, or you are old and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that when next I publish new alpha crypto content, you'll be the first to be notified. Next, we'll look at the things that you need, the tools that you need in order for your withdrawal, in order for you to withdraw your Hamster Kombat from Telegram, okay, or from the Hamster Kombat app to ByBit Exchange. Okay, so the first thing that you need a ByBit account. ByBit account is the exchange. This is the exchange where you withdraw your money to, or you withdraw your Hamster Kombat token to. So it is very important that you have a ByBit account that is verified. That means you have register with ByBit and you have performed KYC, you have input your identification information, your documents, your passport, and you have been verified. Okay, so this is what I mean. You can see mine is checked, verified ID. Okay, so you need a ByBit account, and secondly, you need a Hamster Kombat Airdrop page. Okay, so this is what it looked like. This is my airdrop page. So that means I have been a participant. I have been, participating in the airdrop, and now I'm expecting to earn. So that is simply what airdrop means. So if you don't have page, if you don't have a Hamster Kombat account, so that means you are not qualified for this airdrop. So the next thing you need what we call a ByBit UID. So this ByBit UID, okay, and this is how to open it. When you open your ByBit, when you click it and open it, will bring you to this page. So on this page, you go to this icon, the icon on the top left hand side that look like a human being in a cycle. You click on that icon. When you click on the icon, it will give you this information. Now on your username, close to that cycle, on the username top left hand side, you see UID. So this UID is what you need. It's one of the information, it's one of the data, it's one of the things that you need to claim your airdrop from Telegram to ByBit. Okay, so the next thing you need what we call a ByBit address. Okay, to get your ByBit address, you go to asset. Okay, we are under asset, go to deposit. Okay, then click on deposit crypto, the last option. I'll click on deposit crypto. Then on this place, you type HMSTR. Now that is, you can see that Hamster Kombat has come on, the ticker has come on. Then you click on this Hamster Kombat with this logo. Okay, we have it here. Then make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawal from. So this means we are using Ton. Ton is the network or is the blockchain that support Hamster Kombat, and we are using Ton chain. So we click on Ton. So on this page, these are the information we need. We need ByBit address, and this is ByBit address. This first information here. Okay, this ByBit address, we'll use it today. And the second information is the tag or the memo. Now, let me emphasize this point. If you don't include memo, you stand a chance of losing your hard-earned Hamster Kombat airdrop. Okay, so your memo is very important. In fact, you must include your memo. Then this is network, that means this is the chain that we are using. So these are some of the information, some of the things that you need, 5 important things that you need. So to recap, you need ByBit account, you need Hamster account, you need a ByBit address, and you need a memo code, and you need ByBit UID. Okay, so the next thing is step-by-step guide on how to connect, on how to withdraw your Hamster token or your Hamster airdrop to ByBit account. All right, so let's go to Telegram. So when you come to Telegram, okay, and you log into Hamster Kombat, this is how it look like. Okay, so the next thing you do is to go to airdrop. Airdrop is the last tab. You click on airdrop, is the one showing the symbol. Then this is where we are. Now what we are concerned with is ByBit Exchange. Okay, so we click on ByBit Exchange. Now let me explain. Let me go back and explain something. Now on this ByBit exchange, you are seeing KYC needed. That was the verification I was talking about, that you need to. Okay, if you have a new ByBit account, you need to include your identity information so that you can be verified. So that is what KYC means. Okay, so let's click on ByBit exchange. So do you have a ByBit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive HMSTR. HMSTR is the ticker for Hamster Kombat token. So we'll click on yes, I have, which I have. And also, once you choose an exchange, you can't choose another one. Okay, so what we do next is to add our ByBit ID. So we'll go there, which is what I showed us the first time. So we'll go there. At the top left hand side, there's an icon that look like a human being, a circle. You click there. When you click there, you see your username and one ton of information. Click on the two rectangles that are on top of each other, which is this. When you click it to show copy successfully, then you go and deposit and paste it here. So we have it there. Then the next thing is ByBit HMSTR deposit address. Okay, so to do this, you go to asset. From asset, you go to click deposit, click on deposit crypto, then click on HMS. This it has come up. Then click on ton. So we have address. We copy the address and okay, and paste here. Then the next information, very valuable, you must ensure that this is not missing. Okay, is the memo code or tag or comment or note or remark. Okay, whichever one you see, anyone is correct. So you put it here. Then it is always very good to confirm that the information you are putting is correct. How do you confirm? Go through. Now in this one we have 106.319.06. Let's look at the memo code if it's correct. 106.319.06 is very correct. Then your address, you confirm by looking at the last six alphabet or information, the last two digits, or the last six alphabet, and the first six alphabet. Look at them and make sure that they are correct. Once it is correct, then you come back and click on save and choose. After choosing, you cannot change withdrawal options. Once you click on save and choose, that means it is ByBit exchange that you are making your withdrawal of Hamster Kombat Airdrop to, and you cannot change that option. Guys, if you find this video very helpful and useful, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. Also share, like and comment. Do you have a question regarding the Hamster Kombat Airdrop? If you have a comment, kindly drop it in the comment section. Also, on top of this channel, there's a related content on how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat to Binance. Check it and you'll find it very helpful. CoinDollar community has a platform, a community where we share information that will help you to make money in crypto. Check the comment section and join.